California's coastline is famous all over the world, but hidden deep inside Big Sur are places most people drive past without ever seeing.
This is pretty freaky.
Hidden coves, secret beaches,
Is any of this jade?
and entire sections of coastline that feel completely disconnected from the modern world. So we set out to find 3 of the most incredible hidden beaches anywhere in Big Sur. And almost immediately, the coastline started changing. We're trying to find 3 incredible beaches along the Big Sur coast, all of them secrets. But the real adventure doesn't start until we leave this highway. Right now we're passing Bixby Bridge, one of the most famous bridges on the Central Coast, Pacific Coast. Check it out.
I've been out there on the open road, 1,000,000 miles and I haven't slowed. I'm burning rubber, racing the thunder. Worn out suitcase and an old guitar, restless mind, I've got a rebel heart, call me a runner.
But the views are going to get much larger here as we get down the coast. Oh my gosh. We'd barely crossed the Bixby Bridge and it already felt like we were leaving California behind. The further down the coast we looked, the more the world just disappeared into the fog. There's like garbage everywhere too. How unfortunate. Nice. After that first stop, we had a feeling this coastline was only going to get better. Every turnout felt like it was hiding something, and honestly, it was getting harder to focus on where we were going because we kept pulling over every few minutes just staring at the coastline. And somewhere along the way, Big Sur stopped feeling like a road trip and started feeling like an expedition.
Look at that fog coming in.
Oh yeah, I see it. How about that? I wonder if it's coming or going.
Then we came across a trail that looked completely out of place.
Almost said something. Homemade.
That's a good coffee.
You're gonna love it.
All right, we're rounding the bend here. It's getting super nice.
And the further we walked, the stranger it felt. Like we were walking into somewhere we weren't supposed to find.
Hidden behind this tunnel is one of the most secret beaches in Big Sur. Into the cave.
This is pretty freaky.
Yeah, pretty freaky.
When we got down there, Esther pointed out the color of the rocks. And honestly, that exact color ended up inspiring the color we painted in our bedroom walls later on. Which is kind of crazy considering we were just standing on a random beach in Big Sur.
Wow, this cove is pretty big. It's a lot bigger than it looks like from the road. Check it out, guys. What? That looks so good. Yeah.
There was something about this place that made us want to slow down for a minute. Even found familiar initials on the rail. But Esther wasn't done exploring yet, so naturally she started climbing.
You coming?
And apparently we didn't come all this way just to take a peek from the trail.
We had a really good time out there. If you're out here, it's kind of fun to do the little hike. It's a little slippery, but the view is just breathtaking. I don't know if it's just me or what, but banana slugs always love the redwood trees. I always find them. So awesome. Thing was massive. This one is kind of like a side trail to the right. So if you stay to the right, let's see what this one brings. It kind of follows the river. All right, we got a pretty good front seat view here, don't we? Local lore says that this area is where pirate ships used to land or anchor, and I couldn't find any remnants of it. I did find that one little metal piece sticking out. I don't know what that is. Might not be, but this is so epic, guys.
Honestly, we thought Partington Cove was going to be the highlight of the trip, and somehow we were just getting started.
That is one hidden beach down, but the next one might be even harder to reach. There's a lot of poison oak, but hey, this beach, a lot of people come here searching the beach for jade stone. Sometimes you can find some massive ones. Mrs. Adventure Squad, I think you're hired.
Oh, that looks nice, honey.
All right, so the plan is we're gonna take this trail. It's gonna be a fork in the trail coming up. We're gonna go straight, and then when we're done with that section of the cove, we're gonna come back out and we're gonna head south. And there's another mud entrance and exit over there.
Watch out.
Every access point we're finding has collapsed, so we're just gonna keep trekking south. That's 3 sections. I know there's a way down there still. So we're gonna go all the way down and see if that last southern access point is still open. All right, slippery. Look, we think we found it, but it's slippery, so it's wet, which means water's coming down here. And I got the worst shoes. Oh, this is gonna be very treacherous if I even attempt this. That's kind of a forewarning. But let's see what we got here. Oh my gosh, I'm slipping already. Yeah, that's a no can do. We'll head back up and see where we can find.
Go this way.
Oh, that's not it. Hey, we did it, guys. We're on the shore. We're gonna make our way a little bit north and keep our eyes peeled. Oh no, so unfortunate, guys. The way down we found, oh my goodness, I'm literally standing on a pretty deep drop with ocean side view, but it's literally getting splashed out. I can't bring the camera and stuff. Just check that out, guys. They're washed out, so we're going, oh, so beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and make our way back. All right, guys, we are on the right path. Mrs. Adventure Squad is killing it. She's carrying the gear. She's also finding all the little trails that we've been looking for. But thankfully with her help, we're gonna get down there, find some jade. Holy smokes. Let me just kind of hold this for her. And then at the bottom here, we got to get on a different rope line. Okay. Nice. It's pretty steep, guys. So come out here with the right shoes. Here we go. Well done. Alright, one rope ends. The next one begins. There you go. Okay, there she goes. Oof. Alright guys, we actually made it. So I have a question for you. Let's see who can find the biggest piece of jade.
Oh my goodness. He's got Windshield.
And we'll sell it on eBay. Alright, look what I found. Hey, you find any? What? Let's compare. What? What? What the heck? Yo, look at this. Well done. That is a really good one. Here.
Okay.
Holy smokes. Wow, I don't know. I think we're done. That's wonderful.
By the time we climbed back out, it felt like we just explored a completely different side of Big Sur. And somehow, the coastline still had more surprises waiting for us.
Quick tip, go to the southern entrance if you want to avoid a lot of dangerous, like treacherous trails out here. A lot of them were actually caved in. We took some rest here in the tent, and we had something to eat. Let me actually show you what we found. We found a lot of very cool stuff. I don't think any of it's jade, unfortunately, but you know, our fingers are crossed. So there's the haul, guys. Look at this piece. This piece is as big as my thumb. Look at that. Look at this. Esther found this massive piece. All right, is any of this jade? 2 beaches down, 1 to go. And this last one might just be my favorite. We just asked ChatGPT if any of those rocks were jade, and it said possibly.
At this point, It felt like every beach along the coastline had its own personality. But this next one felt different immediately, because this is where we were hoping to catch dinner. And standing there looking at the surf, we honestly had no idea if we were actually going to catch anything. But if there was ever a place that looked like it should hold fish, it was this beach.
Guys, this is the largest sand beach in Big Sur. Welcome to Sand Dollar. So we are here gonna try surf fishing for the first time, and also for her first time. We got a sand dab rig going, and we're gonna line it up with some shrimp. Hopefully we can catch something to eat. I got 6 hooks on there. And I got 20-pound line braided. Let's see what that does.
The crazy part about fishing places like this is sometimes you stop caring whether you catch anything at all. Just being out there starts feeling like enough. Well, no fish tonight, but honestly, with views like this, it still felt worth it.
We'll find something else to eat. I really did try pretty hard, but I'd rather catch a nice sunset than some perch today. So we're gonna call it and head out and show you guys what the West Coast is so known for, so popular. There's so much traffic out here in Big Sur these days. Right now we're just gonna post up on the side. It's pretty bad. We don't even know where we're gonna camp yet tonight. And as always, the further south you go in Big Sur, the better the views get. And hopefully that ridge road actually leads to a campsite tonight.
We didn't catch dinner, but somehow that stopped mattering pretty quickly, because days like this end up being about way more than the destination. They become memories you carry home with you, and honestly, Big Sur gave us a lot of those.